Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to channel, the go-to spot for all things tech and innovation. Today, we've got an exciting topic lined up that's going to take your content creation to a whole new level. That's right, we're diving into the best 360 cameras of 2024. Number 5, Insta360 One RS. If the Insta360 One RS evolves in the same way as its predecessors, it might be a cutting-edge 360-degree camera built for immersive multimedia creation. A camera that records high-resolution 360-degree photographs and movies is expected, allowing users to produce detailed and immersive content. The RS designation may indicate a modular design, allowing users to update or customize specific camera components for improved functionality or performance. For 360-degree material, smooth and stable filming is essential. The camera may include powerful stabilization technologies to enable steady shots even in high-motion situations. Improved sensors and image processing capabilities could lead to better low-light performance, allowing users to capture appealing footage in a variety of lighting circumstances. The Insta360 One RS could include simple software for content editing and sharing. Automatic stitching, simple exporting to popular platforms, and compatibility with virtual reality, VR, headsets might all be emphasized. Given the growing popularity of live streaming, the camera may include built-in facilities for immediately broadcasting 360-degree content to sites such as YouTube or Facebook. A sturdy design with water-resistant characteristics might be implemented, allowing users to take the camera on trips and shoot material in difficult conditions. A crucial feature might be tight interaction with cell phones for simple control, previewing, and sharing of information. Number 4, Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3, a cutting-edge 360-degree camera that redefines immersive content creation, is now available. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Insta360 X3 offers cutting-edge features and technology for unrivaled performance. The Insta360 X3 features powerful imaging sensors that push the limits of resolution to capture every detail in spectacular clarity. Say goodbye to choppy video. The X3 includes next-generation stabilization technology, which ensures smooth and professional-looking films even in dynamic conditions. The camera intelligently recognizes and tracks targets thanks to embedded artificial intelligence, enabling effortless control and unprecedented convenience in shooting the perfect photo. The Insta360 X3's sleek and compact design makes it easy to transport and use. A user-friendly interface combined with straightforward controls ensures that both novice and experienced designers may easily unleash their creativity. Whether you want to capture magnificent vistas, dynamic action scenarios, or immersive VR content, the X3 has a shooting mode for you. Share your content instantaneously with the world. The Insta360 X3 integrates seamlessly with smartphones and social media platforms, allowing you to quickly and easily share your 360-degree masterpieces. The X3 is designed to resist the rigors of outdoor excursions, ensuring that you can capture the moment no matter where your creativity takes you. The Insta360 X3 takes image capabilities to new heights, delivering not only high resolution, but also bright colors and superb low-light performance. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or discovering the beauty of the night, capture lifelike photographs and videos with exceptional clarity. With the Insta360 X3's seamless live streaming features, you can take your audience on a live 360-degree trip. The camera's superior technology offers a smooth and entertaining live stream experience, whether you're sharing a unique event or communicating with your followers in real time. Immersive 3D audio captured by the Insta360 X3 will elevate your work. The powerful audio technology of the camera ensures that viewers not only see, but also hear the full richness of the surroundings, bringing an additional element of realism to your 360-degree experiences. Number 3, Ricoh Theta X. The Ricoh Theta X, the peak of 360-degree camera technology in 2024, captures your reality in amazing detail. This innovative device combines high-resolution images with advanced capabilities to completely transform your panoramic photography and videography excursions. The Ricoh Theta X features an improved sensor and lens system that produces unmatched image clarity and rich colors, ensuring that your 360 material shines out. Stitch images together seamlessly for a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The sophisticated algorithms of the Theta X reduce distortion, resulting in a genuine and lifelike picture of your environment. Capture your memories in 4K resolution to ensure that your 360 movies are as detailed and crisp as your images. Relive your memories with unrivaled realism. The Theta X excels in low light circumstances, ensuring that your 360 material remains vivid and crisp even in challenging environments, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or recording nighttime scenes. The revamped user interface provides a smooth experience, allowing both novice and experienced photographers to easily manage settings. The Theta X is built for ease of use without sacrificing extensive customization. Enjoy long shooting sessions without concern. The Theta X has an optimized battery to ensure that you record every moment without interruption. The Ricoh Theta X's elegant and compact form makes it the ideal partner for mobile creators. It is built to last and can handle the rigors of your adventurous lifestyle. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can quickly share your 360-degree experiences. The Theta X connects to your smartphone wirelessly for easy sharing and remote control. The Theta X features powerful gyroscopic stabilization technology, which ensures that your 360 photographs and videos remain stable even in dynamic or unstable scenes. This function improves the overall quality of your work by giving it a professional appearance. With built-in artificial intelligence that intelligently recognizes critical moments in your footage, you can streamline your post-production workflow. Number 2. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max is a multi-purpose 360-degree camera that allows users to capture immersive spherical content. It has dual fisheye lenses that allow you to take 360-degree photographs and videos with a maximum quality of up to 5.6K. One of the GoPro Max's main features is its ability to record both standard hero-style wide-angle pictures and 360-degree film, giving users a wide range of creative options. The GoPro Max has built-in stabilization technology called Max Hypersmooth, which helps to achieve smooth and steady footage even in difficult settings. The camera also has advanced audio capabilities, allowing it to capture high-quality sound in addition to visual material. Furthermore, the camera is built to be tough and waterproof, assuring its resilience in a variety of conditions. The GoPro Max has a touchscreen display for ease control and previewing of photos, and is compatible with the GoPro app, allowing users to effortlessly edit and share their material. The camera is frequently commended for its simple user interface and ability to shoot excellent 360-degree content without the need for complicated post-processing. The GoPro Max includes the GoPro app, which allows users to effortlessly edit and share 360-degree video. Number 1. Ricoh Theta Z1. In the 360 camera market, the Ricoh Theta Z1 is noted for its high-quality imagery and innovative technologies. The Ricoh Theta Z1 is a high-end 360-degree camera aimed at both hobbyists and pros. It has a complex design and dual 1-inch sensors, which are rarely encountered in other 360 cameras. This sensor configuration enables the Z1 to take high-resolution still photos and 4K films with exceptional clarity. One of its distinguishing qualities is its excellent low-light performance, which makes it suited for a wide range of shooting situations. The camera also has powerful manual controls, which allow users to fine-tune settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO for a more personalized shooting experience. Furthermore, the Ricoh Theta Z1 enables RAW file capture, giving photographers more versatility in post-processing. Its easy-to-use interface and seamless connectivity with cell phones for remote control and file transmission add to its allure. The Z1 contains 4 microphones to capture spatial audio, offering viewers with an immersive experience. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best 360 cameras of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.